Discover the secret to vegetarian weight loss, Whole Foods Edition. Are you looking to shed a few pounds? Improve your overall health? And do it all while enjoying a delicious, plant-based diet? Well, look no further. In this video, we will uncover the secrets to successful vegetarian weight loss by focusing on a whole foods diet. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. The key to successful weight loss is not only about cutting calories but also about making healthier choices that nourish your body. A vegetarian diet can be an excellent way to achieve this, as it focuses on consuming plant-based foods that are naturally lower in calories and saturated fats. However, not all vegetarian diets are created equal. To truly reap the benefits of a vegetarian lifestyle, it's essential to embrace a whole foods diet. A whole foods diet is one that emphasizes consuming minimally processed, nutrient-dense foods. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which play a crucial role in weight loss and overall health. By focusing on whole foods, you can ensure that your body receives the nutrients it needs to function optimally while shedding unwanted pounds. So, what does a whole foods vegetarian diet look like? Here are some key components to keep in mind. 1. Prioritize fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half of your plate with a colorful array of fruits and vegetables at every meal. These nutrient powerhouses are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied while promoting weight loss. 2. Choose whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread over refined grains like white rice and white bread. Whole grains are higher in fiber and nutrients, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer. 3. Incorporate plant-based protein sources. Beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and edamame are all excellent sources of plant-based protein. Including these foods in your diet can help you feel satisfied and support muscle growth, which is essential for weight loss. 4. Don't forget healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can help you feel full and satisfied while providing essential nutrients. Be mindful of portion sizes, as healthy fats can be calorie-dense. 5. Minimize processed foods. While there are plenty of vegetarian-friendly processed foods available, these can often be high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods for the best weight loss results. 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help support weight loss by keeping you feeling full and aiding in digestion. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day. And consider adding lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Now that you know the basics of a whole foods vegetarian diet for weight loss, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. So be patient and give your body time to adjust to this new way of eating. If you're looking for more guidance and support on your vegetarian weight loss journey, be sure to subscribe to our channel and join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, we can achieve our health and weight loss goals while enjoying the delicious, plant-based foods we love. So, what are you waiting for? Start embracing a whole foods vegetarian diet today. And watch the pounds melt away.